Yeah. Oh, I love this.
I always like it when you get to a place you just walk.
Yes. I like this sort of. The Porsche is a Porsche, it's a Boxster. So this here, this is Austin.
Yeah, this is Austin.
I think Austin, then it's Nathan Road, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not far.
I like these little seedy. I like these seedy ways, you know, seedy alleyways. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I like the seedier the better, you know.
Very nice walkway. I'm going to go for some walks in the morning.
Yes.
You smell that Asian air.
Yeah, you can. It is. I mean, I love. This is.
You just love Asian.
Yeah.
So normally when you come here, you want to get side and all that sort of stuff. Not this time.
No. 7-Eleven, we'll get some drinks later.
Yeah.
Imagine living in one of these little fucking things.
It'd be fucking beer, I bet.
Yeah, I bet you would be.
Property would be.
Yeah. Sounds of Hong Kong. You gotta love it, hey, don't you think? Hong Kong's so beautiful. It's so unique. Hong Kong is so unique, isn't it? There's nothing like this, really.
The Health Integrated Medical Centre.
That's probably worth a fortune, that. Yes, that's Baden Pale Haze. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is Austin Road.
So we'll go down this way.
Okay. Okay.
Look at that real estate.
It would be ridiculously expensive, wouldn't it, here? Everything's dear. Sure. You can smell the duck, the roasting, the oils and the... I quite like Champagne Court, didn't you? You know, near Champagne Court was nice. That was quite nice.
I just love good honest food.
Yeah.
Asian food.
Yeah. See, look at that. What is that? Is that an aquarium? No, it's a food shop. Lobster and shit. Ah, let's have a look.
One thing I don't think they do there.
Yeah.
They don't generally do coffee.
No, no.
And they don't do dessert.
No, they don't. It's a good point. Yeah.
There's a place up the top of it.
Seedy, doesn't it? Seedy. 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 Yes. A lot of Teslas here. Yeah, Tesla. No. You want duck and rice? Duck and rice, fuck it. Yes.
That's what I want.
Yes. No, I don't mind these steam buns and that, but we want to. Let's have a. You know the. What's that? Oh, they got duck there too. Duck there, but you can't see it anywhere down. It's a beautiful tour here of Honkers. It's beautiful here. Hong Kong sex toy store. There you go, Dave.
Oh, okay.
What's that? What the hell?
It's on top of what?
Hey, what do you reckon?
Oh, lingerie. You like feet? Chicken feet?
I'm not a big fan of the chicken feet, I must say.
Yeah. I'm not.
Ah, I like that smoke. Ah, what is that shit? That's just good barbecuing. Ah.
right there.
Sorry?
People there, so
We can go anywhere you want. You just pick the joint, Dave.
smell that.
Yeah, I think that's a.
Dumplings. Smell that.
This is Asia. Where? Yeah. Oh, what are they doing there?
Bank of China. So I think this must be. What road is this? Jordan Road. Okay, Jordan Road. Walk down here and then go that way a bit.
Oh. I just love it. Don't you love it? This is beautiful, isn't it? This is what I love. Now, why would you go to McDonald's in Hong Kong? Hong Kong. You go for Asian.
I don't go to fucking McDonald's at home.
Actually, I had McDonald's last night because that was the healthiest option out of. Because all there was a Krispy Kreme next door. Krispy Kreme, McDonald's, and a KFC.
I'd go there for a McCafe. That's it.
Yeah.
The guy down there with the triple five.
Yes.
I don't think they look after them. What do you think?
No. Here, look at this. Yes.
I'm not a fan of these sort of little.
No, I know what you mean.
Like squid and stuff. No.
Yeah. It's beautiful, isn't it?